Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on JASMY. As in my earlier videos, I've been showing you that recently JASMY has broken down the support of this rising wedge pattern. And after the breakdown from this rising wedge pattern, so far it is not able to break down this quite significant support zone that starts from 1.8 cents and goes to 2 cents. Previously, this level has been breaking as a very strong resistance on here, and after the breakout, you can see it is flipped into a very strong support zone. And since then, the price line is not able to break it down. Here we had a long spike to the downside after breaking out this wedge pattern here on 5th of March 2024. But the price line recovered back very soon and still it is getting accumulated above this support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this huge breakout, these two breakouts, which are happened on the 7 days time frame chart from a very huge falling wedge pattern, and after that it also broke out a very big descending triangle as well. And so far from this low to this current high, it has rallied more than 830%, and now it is struggling to break out this quite long-term resistance of 2.85 cents. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of Feb 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is a trade setup for auction, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared the signal. For example, in this case, I shared this signal on 12th of Feb 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm going to do here. And after that, it will show you how the price had moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of JASMY, and this is the 4-hour time frame chart. And you can see that for the past several days, it was moving inside this rising wedge pattern. And finally, here we have broken down the support on 5th of March 2024 after this extreme sell-off. And I've been telling you that the target for this breakdown is here at the bottom of the wedge, approximately at 1.24 cents. But in order to hit that target, first we will need to break down this very significant support zone that had been previously working as a resistance here. And after the breakout here, after 28th of Feb, you can see since then it is still working as a very strong support. And this support zone starts from 2 cents and goes to 1.8 cents. If the price breaks it down, then it can hit the target for this breakdown here. For this rising wedge pattern, that target is approximately at 1.23 cents. Therefore, we need to keep an eye on this support. And on a weekly time frame chart, we have a very nice and bullish situation. Like first, it was moving inside this very long-term falling wedge pattern since after November 2021, and when we broke out this wedge here in the month of January 2023. But you can see that while it was moving inside this previous falling wedge pattern, we found the support and resistance of another descending triangle. Therefore, even after breaking out the resistance of this wedge, the price and could not continue this rally to the upside due to the resistance of this next descending triangle. And you can see that after a few rejections, finally, the price then broke out the resistance of this descending triangle here and retested the previous resistance of the triangle as support and geared up. And now, after breaking out this very huge resistance of 1 cent, approximately, we had this resistance here that had been previously breaking as a resistance here and support here. Price then moved to the next major resistance of 2.85 cents that had been previously breaking as a resistance here. And again, it is breaking as a very strong resistance. Let me remove these trend lines so it will be easy for you to watch. And you can see that the price line is almost rejected by this resistance and moving just below this resistance of 2.85 cents. And once it will be able to break out this next resistance of 2.85 cents, then JASMY can imminently move to the next major resistance of 4.94 cents, approximately at 5 cents. We have this resistance here that had been previously breaking as a resistance here, and again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price. And now, if we take a look at the targets for these two breakouts. Then target for the breakout from this big descending triangle was here at this next very close to this next resistance of 2.85 cents, and you can see that the price then has already achieved that target. And the target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern is here at the top of this wedge. That is approximately at 20 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.